I just finished this vintage Reuge singing bird cage, and this dates to 1969. That's the date that was handwritten on the bellows. Wonderful cosmetic and mechanical condition. I really like the bird. The bird feathering scheme is a combination of reds, little pink on the head, and then there's darker red feathers throughout. Really pretty and very natural looking. So I took everything apart, fully serviced this so it sings exactly as it should. Let's hear it play, and we'll start off on the pause feature. Bear with me. A nice long pause. There we have better focus. I'll move to continuous. The bird animates perfectly, opening and closing her beak, flapping her tail, rotating her head, and her entire body also rotates on her axis. The mechanism runs smoothly and quietly, yet the bird sings with full voice. A very pretty cage. Turn this off. In summary, a vintage Reuge singing bird cage in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition. Take care.